Hello everyone, welcome back to my workshop. There is something incredibly satisfying about tower lights. They make any machine look professional. But let's be honest, paying hundreds of dollars for one is crazy. Today I will show you how I built my own for just $10. Unfortunately, consumer machines such as Bamboo Lab 3D printers are a closed environment, making the implementation of such things rather difficult. Fortunately, when making my own machines, I decide what they have. That way I can more or less easily implement anything I want in my machine. So in this video I will be making a DIY tower light. Maybe not because it's better, but it's way cheaper than buying a pre-made one. Speaking of which, pre-made tower lights from reputable brands can reach hundreds of dollars. My DIY approach lets me build a tower light for a fraction of this, roughly $10. Let's get to the build. First of all, I had to choose the correct LEDs for this project. Typical 5mm LEDs produce light which is very directional. Even with the best diffuser, it creates noticeable hotspots, and you will be able to tell how many LEDs there are and where exactly they are. I have chosen flat top LEDs which feature a 120-degree light output angle. Even with a basic diffuser you can't really tell how many LEDs there are. If you can tell how many there are, congratulations. For those who can't, there's 9 LEDs in series per module, so we have 27 LEDs in total. LEDs are mounted on a triangle-shaped core, making them equally arranged around. This way, the produced light is way more uniform. Diffuser is printed using transparent filament. It was designed to have ridges both on the inside and on the outside, so the light is diffused more evenly. On the inside, ridges are positioned vertically, where on the outside they are positioned horizontally. Modules are finished with end caps printed using black filament, so no light can leak to other modules. Through the center I've installed the M4 threaded rod, adding extra stability to the entire tower. Without it, the entire contraption would simply fall apart. Last but not least, in the bottom compartment there's a crude control board. I've used 3 resistors per modules in parallel to limit the current LEDs draw. Without them, over time as the LEDs heats up, they would draw more current, eventually burning them out. Each module is driven by the NPN transistor, so the tower light can be easily operated by a microcontroller such as ESP32. In the future I'm planning to create a custom PCB for the LED core, so I can use 50/50 SMD LEDs. They are way brighter and can create more uniform light. I might also make a square core, but I will have to test the SMD LEDs first. Maybe triangle core would be enough. I will also be making a custom control PCB as the one I have is a bit messy. In conclusion, I think this tower light is a very good replacement for pre-made ones. It costs way less, it's easily customizable as you can add more modules, and it's very easy to build. If you'd like to create this tower light for yourself, there's a link to 3D files in the description. In the meantime, that's everything in this video. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.